Dickenson County is a rural situated county in far southwest Virginia, population a little under 15,000 people. We started in about the early 90s with some small projects. Our problems were source water. And one of the major hurdles we faced was that one of the providers was a private entity. It was the Big Caney Water Corporation. They did a overwhelming job in providing water to the central part of the county for a long, long time. But as time went on, their infrastructure dwindled. They didn't have the money to put back in it. They didn't have the resources to do what they needed to do, nor were they eligible for any outside money. We traded water with them for probably a decade. And I think through a lot of intense negotiations and being friends and neighbors in a small community, we all finally realized that we could come up with a solution that would be a win-win for everyone. A lot of people involved decided that maybe that we would try to integrate. And that's where ARC came into play in trying to not only provide new water, but to rehabilitate some systems that just totally needed to be redone. In a mountainous terrain, you not only, obviously, you have to pump the water up the mountain, and a lot of times the population is on top of the mountain. Then you have to take it back off the mountain and reduce the pressure going off the mountain. So you had obviously your source, your pump stations, your air release valves, your pressure reducing stations, your water storage tanks, and then on the flip side you had your pressure reducing stations to reduce the pressures to where the households could stand coming off steep terrain. So one of the issues that Dickenson County faces is the brain drain. And that's where we have a lot of talent that was harvested here. More times than not, a lot of that same talent is leaving here. Through our water and sewer growth and our infrastructure and our schools and whatever, that was certainly a critical factor, and try to recruit and retain these young people that are our future. Without ARC monies being provided throughout Southwest Virginia, and particularly in Dickenson County, I feel like we would be going backwards. We are retaining our growth. Without question, the ARC funding group, it would not be possible to accomplish all these projects and all the integration with the Big Caney Corporation, and it wouldn't be possible to have the capabilities to recruit industry. It wouldn't be possible to provide this quality of life that we call home.